Everyone says life in America is stressful, asterisk, but what if the solution took only 2 minutes a day? Life in America moves fast. Work, bills, stress, it all piles up. And before you know it, another year is gone, and you're still waiting for the right moment to change your life. But here's the truth. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need a full routine. You don't need motivation. You just need 2 minutes. Let me tell you a story. James, 29, living in a small apartment in Ohio, wakes up one morning feeling completely drained. Laundry everywhere. Unfinished work on his desk, empty coffee cups. Life feels messy, and so does he. Scrolling on his phone, half awake, he sees one sentence. You can change your whole life with 2 minutes a day. He laughs. How can 2 minutes fix anything? But he's tired of feeling stuck. So he tries it. He sets a timer. 2 minutes, that's it. I'll just clean my nightstand. And in 2 minutes, it's done. A tiny win. A small spark. That night, he writes in his notes app, 2 minutes. Not bad. The next day, he tries again. 2 minutes of stretching, 2 minutes of reading, 2 minutes of planning his day, 2 minutes of deep breathing. Slowly, he stops snoozing his alarm. He drinks more water. He goes for a walk every evening. He sleeps earlier instead of doom. And here's the crazy part, he's not overwhelmed. He's not stressed. He's consistent. 30 days later, James looks around. His place is cleaner. His anxiety is lower. He's showing up better at work. He even applied for a better position. His friend sees him and says, "Man, you look good. What changed?" James smiles. Honestly, 2 minutes. That's the power of starting small. That's the power of showing up every day even for a moment. Before 2026 arrives, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop thinking you need to change everything at once. Your life can shift with something as small as 2 minutes a day. This is your reminder. Your upgrade starts now. Your future starts now. And it all begins with just 2 minutes.